Greetings from REI 2025. My name is Michael Schmela. I'm the Managing Director of TaiyangNews, and I have with me at Goldi Solar one of the most exciting manufacturers in India. Their CTO, Mehul Doshi, and their Head of Marketing, Kumar Arpit. We want to talk a little bit about your journey. That was a rapid journey, and only upwards. Tell us a little bit about that, Mehul.
Thank you very much. So earlier, in last June, we were the 3 gigawatt company, and from last June to this October, it is now 14.7 gigawatt company. And for this 14.7 gigawatt company, we established a lot of AI and AOI technologies. Also, one of the fastest integrated stringers and the highly automated automation lines and all these things that brings the capacity from 3 to 14.7.
Okay, that's the module side of things. It's also a lot about vertical integration these days in India, and I think also here you are moving quickly ahead.
Yes, definitely. We are going with the cell manufacturing. So basically we will start with the pilot project, that is the 1.2 gigawatt pilot project, and then we will move for the 16 gigawatt. Why this pilot project is there? Because we are now choosing the LPCVD technology. In India, I think there are very few people who knows about the LPCVD technology, and we choose it. We are first time in India introduce this technology. That's why we are going with the pilot project, because in future if we go with the XPC, what we are seeing in the background, and the tandem technology, then we need to have the backward integration right. So as per the market scenario and our study, we know that the LPCVD may be the right technology for the future XBC. So we start with the LPCVD technology first.
Okay, that's very interesting. Tell us a little bit also about your market positioning and about your strategy here. So we're seeing, of course, many Indian manufacturers expanding, new companies actually joining the fray. So how do you position yourselves? Are you focusing mostly on India? Are you looking abroad? So where are you heading?
So first of all, things are being progressive out here in India as well as internationally. We are really thankful to our government who has their India's renewable energy vision of getting to 500 gigawatts by 2030. And it's not only Goldi, but all Indian manufacturers are enhancing their manufacturing capabilities, manufacturing expansions at multi-gigawatt scale to be consistent with the quality and technology. Goldi Solar has always been mindful, resourceful, thoughtful and progressive to always keep up with the agility what the industry is growing. As what my colleague Mr. Mehul Doshi initiated and stated that for the past 12 months we were just 3 gigawatt of company. Now we are 14.7, nearly 5-fold in this 12 months. So you can imagine in the next 1 or 2 years, we are already strengthening our cell manufacturing capacity. So you can understand, as per the market, there is a dire need of strengthening the backward integration, and the entire manufacturing shift has no more on modules, but also on Indian-based modules. So henceforth, the cell integration or cell manufacturing is the calling card for all the manufacturers out here. To see the paradigm shift in India, certainly we will be satisfying the needs of India's renewable energy demands of solar energy. But when it comes to international markets, there are few success stories, and US market that Goldi Solar will be launching very soon over there. And also, we are also looking for avenues in other international markets like Australia, to say so, Africa, African continent, South America. In fact, if you consider, if you notice the pattern in various tabloids, the entire solar demands is being shifted towards Indian-based manufacturer. Australia, Africa, and South America, Central America, to say so. So now things are being progressive. They are preferring Indian manufacturers, and when it comes to Indian manufacturers, people are preferring Goldi, not only because of the manufacturing, it's only about the quality excellence that we bring. As my colleague stated, that we brought the India's first AI-driven solar manufacturing facility. And down the line, in due course, you will be receiving a lot of success stories based upon the technical integration like LPCVD technology. And as soon as we'll be heading up towards the 16 gigawatt, the 17.2 gigawatt of solar cell manufacturing facility will be happening in two phases. The initial phase will be operationalized or closed on or before March 2026, and down the line we will be strengthening up to 16 gigawatt. That will be, fortunately, it will be India's largest single location solar cell manufacturing facility. In terms of our manufacturing prowess, we are bringing India's first IBC technology module. Certainly the Indian government or the Indian solar demands, whether it shifts to TOPCon or IBC or any other emerging technologies that every company is observing. It is India solar industry has always been dynamic. There has always been change, right from multicrystalline to monoPERC, then to TOPCon, then HJT, or again TOPCon. So yeah, it is as integrating any technology in the manufacturing prowess is a huge capital intensive market. Every manufacturers are pretty much mindful enough to invest on that, and I'm sure Goldi Solar will be resonating with the energy demands, how we bring it to the table. Thanks.
Maybe a follow-up, because you mentioned it's a capital-intensive game we're in here, and everyone has to expand quickly. And you came up recently with a very interesting partnership. Maybe you want to talk about it.
Would you like to start on that part?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, firstly, I'm so happy that one of this question we were anticipating this question like. Just a day ago, we had a big ticket media release of Goldi Solar securing more than 1,422 crores from leading top Indian investors out here. To name a few is Havells, Mr. Nikhil Kamath, Ambit, private client, and SRF, Shahi Exports, many family and friends, including some leading Indian cricketers. I'm sure in the press release you will be getting to know the names of all top Indian investors. So you can understand how all Indian investors and global investors are investing and having a sense of trust in our manufacturing capabilities, in our growth trajectory. Goldi Solar is now going on the uptick curve, and we are being responsible enough to accustom their needs as well. It will be certainly this entire investment, growth capital infusion, will be used for enhancing the go-to-market efforts. We are also strengthening our retail chain, as through cell manufacturing, we will be focusing also on retail, in exports, as well as in US market as well. So yeah, things are going pretty on an uptick curve, positive side. We are really excited for the wonderful times ahead in this industry. Thanks.
Okay, thanks a lot. That's great to hear. Wish you good luck.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.